Hello, welcome. Happy day. My name's Marie Maribel, and this is a quick tutorial on how to deepen your back bend using the yoga wheel and the wall. In Ashtanga Yoga, it would be a kneeling back bend with your arms overhead. So in second series, that's called Kapotasana. Let's get started. You'll want to have the wheel nearby and set up close to the wall, wheels distance apart, give or take, depending on how tall you are. You'll want to find yourself kneeling and notice your most natural kneeling position. Usually the buttocks is over the calves. What if you purposefully tuck your tail more than usual and then press the hips really far forward? So when you're this far forward, your buttocks, chances are, is more over your knees and a little bit of your calf, more so than your ankles. So go ahead and root the tail down and slow motion offer the hips really, 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 really far forward. When they won't go forward anymore, hands to the low back. Inhale, lengthen your abdomen, lift your ribs, and exhale, shoulders back. Option 1, this is plenty. Option 2, once you feel warm-ish, stretch your arms up as though you're about to yawn. So genuinely stretch your wrist away from your elbows away from your shoulders genuinely stretch away from the ribs. And then once you can't stretch anymore, keep your tail, keep your belly, keep your ribs, hands behind your back. Bend your elbows, exhale, interlace fingers behind your back. When your elbows are wide, you're heavy. When your elbows are in your peripheral vision, you have more access. Press the elbows really high up, your head into your skull. Tail under, belly up. Inhale. Exhale, press your head into your hands. Press your head into your hands. Oh, look, there's a wheel there. Exhale, rest on the wheel, forehead on the wheel. For 1, 2, 3 breaths. Rise up off of the wheel and push the wheel towards the wall. Genuinely stretch further from the wall than you're used to. From there, exhale, bring your forehead even lower. Hands lower. Inhale, pull away from the wheel. Maybe you see your feet. Last time, exhale. Bring your head down. Move your hands down. Reset. Option 1, this is plenty. Option 2, maybe you see your own feet, at which point you start reaching back and your hands can walk towards your ankle. Maybe you hold your feet, maybe you don't. 5 breaths. Keep pulling away from the floor. Eventually you rise up. There's a wall, there's a wheel, there's something nearby. Exhale when it's time to exit, back off. Hold on to your legs, sit back. Tuck your tail under and slow motion cup your knees, belly in. Inhale, expand the space between the vertebrae, and exhale, tilt back. You can stay like this as long as you want. If and when your body's ready to come out, you come out. This concludes the tutorial for Kapotasana, or deepening your back bend using the wheel. Let me know how it goes. Thank you.